7.3, greater than its left neighbor. So we want to make a list and print it if it's greater than its left neighbor. Now, before we used, in the last video, we used for item in A. And what that is, it took its value of every item in it. And that means we'd have to store the previous one we'd have to store the previous one and then compare it. So it's easier for I in range and take the length of A. Because we're going to be using, it's more easier to refer to its index in this situation. So, and not including the length, of course. So actually, I want to start from 1, right? I do not want to start from 0 because I'm going to compare this to its left neighbor. I'm going to compare 5 to its left neighbor of 1. So I'm going to start there. So what do we want to check? First of all, let's build our line. Line equals just an empty string. And we're going to check if A of I is greater than A of I minus 1. So if A of 1 is greater than A of 0, then I want to add line equals or plus equals str A of I plus a space. And it'll keep going until I get to the last digit. It'll compare 3 to 4, and if it's greater, it will include it, and if not, it'll skip it. And when we're done, we're going to print line, but without the last space. That's what that -1 is about. It's everything from the beginning to the end, not including that last space. Okay, and we're also going to say if length of A is greater than 1. And we'll put all that in my if statement. Otherwise, we don't want to print anything, right? If it's greater than 1, we'll check. Otherwise, it'll be out of range. That way, if I send a list of 1 item, it's not going to crash. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's right. Let's submit. That's how that's done.